Updating your payment method on Braintree is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is current and secure. Step 1. Log into your Braintree account. Access the Braintree website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section. This is usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Select payment methods. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payment information. Choose the payment method you wish to update. Enter the new payment details such as credit card number, expiration date, and billing address. Ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully updated. Make sure to regularly check your payment methods to keep your account secure and up to date.